Hello students, welcome back again to our online classes from African Public School situated in Gola Bazar, Gorakhpur. This is your subject teacher of science and today I am here with exercises of chapter number 6, Food for Health from your textbook. So students, take out your science book and open page number 61. So students, question number A given here. We need food to options are breathe and live and grow. So students, what we have to fill here? Here you have to write live and grow. We need food to live and grow. Now second filling the blanks. We should eat blank amount of food to stay healthy. Students, to stay healthy we should eat the right amount of food to stay healthy. You have to fill here the right. Next one, blank food make our bones and muscles strong. So students, the option that is given in here, energy giving and protective, are not correct. They are incorrect because food makes our bones and muscles stronger, bodybuilding food. So you have to write here bodybuilding. Now, question number 4. Blank protect us from falling sick. So, students, options are nuts and eggs. So, students, here you have to write nuts because nuts are example of protective food and protective food protect us from falling ill. Now, question number 5. We usually eat blank meals in a day. Students, we usually eat 3 meals in a day. Now, let's come to the match the following. Match the columns that is given below question number B, column A and column B. So students, first one is energy giving food. So students, you have to match energy giving food with option number C, that is energy for work. Now next, protective food, you have to match this with E, to protect us from falling ill. Third, bodybuilding foods, you have to match this from D, for the body to grow. Now fourth, stale food, you have to match stale food with option number B, that is sick. Now fifth, fresh food, you have to match fifth with A, that is healthy. Now students, let's come to the choose question number C, that is choose the correct option. So students, as you know that there are 4 options are given in this type of question, you have to choose the correct one. The first question that is given here, why do we need food? So students, you know very well we need food to live and grow and to get energy for work and play. So here all options are correct. So you have to take the option number D, that is all of these. Next one is question number 2, which of these is not a food group? Energy giving food, bodybuilding food, protective foods, milk and wheat. So students, you know there are only 3 food groups, that are energy giving food, bodybuilding food and protective food. So here answer will be option number D. Okay, so what you have to tick, you have to tick the option number D. Now question number 3, which of these food groups do wheat and rice belong to? Students, wheat and rice are the example of energy giving food. They belong to energy giving food, that is given in option number A. You have to tick the option number A. Now question number 4, which of these food groups do fruits and vegetables belongs to? Students, vegetables and fruits belong to protective foods, that is given in option number C. You have to tick the option number C. Now let's come to the question number 5 that is given here, which of these food will protect you from falling ill? Students, you know very well here answer is option number D, that is all of these. Now question number 6, which of these is a meal we eat during the day? So students, during a day we eat breakfast, lunch and dinner. So here also option number D is the correct option. You have to take the option number D. Now let's come to the question number D. Give two examples for the following. So students, here you have to give two examples for the following. First one is food we get from plants. So students, you have to write here two options of two example of foods that we get from plants. So that are rice and sugar. Now in second, food we get from animals. So you have to write here egg and milk. Now third, energy giving foods. So example of energy giving foods are rice and wheat. Question number 4, bodybuilding foods. Example of bodybuilding foods are milk and egg. Fifth, protective foods. So example of protective foods are fruits and vegetables. Now let's come to the question number E. Answer the following question. So students, here I am going to discuss about the answer of this question. You have to write the answer of this question by the help of PDF that is given in your WhatsApp group. So question number first, why do we need food? So students, as you know that we need food to live and grow. So you have to answer here, we need food to live and grow. Now question number second, name the 3 food groups and one example for each. So students, here you have to write the 3 food groups with their one example. Okay, so first food group is energy giving food, example rice. Second, bodybuilding food, example milk. Third, protective food, example fruits. Okay, now let's come to the question number 3. What is a meal? So students, here you have to define a meal. So the definition of meal is a particular type of food that we eat at a particular time of the day is called a meal. Now question number 4. Name the 3 meals we usually eat during the day. So the 3 meals that we usually eat during the day are breakfast, lunch and dinner. So this was the answer of question number 4. Now students, let's come to the question number 5. Give any 3 rules of healthy eating that we should follow. So students, to stay healthy, we have to follow some rules to stay healthy. So here you have to give any 3 rules of healthy eating that we should follow. So students, first of all you have to write in the answer, we should follow the rules of healthy eating which are mentioned below. Then you have to write serial number 1, wash your hands before and after eating. Then serial number 2, eat well cooked food. At last, serial number 3, eat meals at regular intervals and do not waste food. So my dear students, this was the answer of question that is given in question number E. Now let's come to the concept map that is given below. Recall and complete the concept map given below. So students, here this concept map is based on the food groups. So students, I explained you the 3 food groups. So here look what you have to do. This is the food groups and here you have to complete the spelling of or missing letter of the food groups. So first food group is energy giving food. So you have to complete the spelling of energy, ENERGY, energy. Now you have to write the example of energy giving food, that is rice and wheat. Next is bodybuilding foods, BODY body, BUILDING building. Bodybuilding foods. Examples of bodybuilding foods are milk, egg, and meat. Now, protective foods. Spelling of protective: protective. Protective. Example: fruits and vegetables. So students, you have to complete the given concept map in your book, as well as you have to make this concept map in your notebook also. Now students, all the exercises of this chapter is completed. You have to complete this in your CW as well as in your HW copy. Now your turn to study it and grasp it. And I hope there is no any doubt on the exercises of this chapter. So till then, stay safe, stay healthy, and stay at your home. Thank you students. Bye and take care.